Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Gallen, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock your vaults on Polygon and bridge them back to their native chain. So here we go. Here we are on the Emblem.finance website. The best way to access your created or locked vaults is to go to My Vaults, and you go to Locked. And there it is, the BCC ape, the one we did in the previous video that you should check out. You can also go this way. You could go to your OpenSea page. You can click on the BTC ape. You can see that you own it. See right here, it says Emblem Vault Polygon with 500 ETH in volume, 6,000 items, and 1,800 owners. You know you're on the right page. You can also access it this way. And you see here is the tags for everything as well. You could go here and you could click it this way and it'll take you right into the vault, or you could just go back this way and you can do it. Either way is completely okay. As you said, this is a test. You see the ordinal inscription, see all the wallets, takes you to OpenSea. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here in the vault and you see it says unlock vault, get private keys. Once you unlock the vault, the NFT is burned and the private keys will be displayed, which means that the NFT is non-transferable. Once again, once you do this function, unlock vault, the NFT is non-transferable, which means you will have to import the private keys into the native wallet that asset exists on, or of the blockchain that native asset exists on. Come down here to advanced options. This is to back up your vault. What you could do here when you unlock the vault is you could back it up, the private keys, to your computer. And this is for the more advanced users. Please know what you're doing if you're doing this, because if you have your private keys on your desktop and you manage to get hacked or taken over, the hackers can take your private keys and steal all of your assets. So be very careful what you're doing here, and please know what you're doing. So what you're going to do is you're just literally going to click on unlock vault. You'll get a gas transaction, as I will show you here. Again, dude, the transactions are so cheap. As you can see here, it's currently 5 cents to unlock this vault, compared to about $10 to $15 on mainnet. So you go down here, you hit confirm, and you'll see here it says claiming, and boom, right? That was done. Right here you can see claimed, not for sale, which means that it's non-transferable. So you could get these private keys here. And you're gonna click on get private keys. You'll have a signature request, and it'll say message claim with a bunch of numbers, and it'll display your private keys here. Of course, I have this blocked out so that you can't see, but you're going to copy the Taproot wallet if you're doing ordinals, or you're going to copy the right ideas. I mean, for this one specifically, actually, I'm going to copy the mnemonic phrase, because a lot of the ordinal wallets use mnemonic phrases versus the private keys, which is generally for like counterparty and some of the more advanced stuff. But you can do both. For this, we're going to use the mnemonic phrase. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to Xverse. And this is what I like to use, but you can use any wallet of your choice. Going to hit restore wallet. And once you hit restore wallet, you're going to hit next, continue. Going to go down here and I'm going to paste in the seed phrase. Or not the seed phrase, yeah, the seed phrase, the 12 words in mnemonic phrase, sorry. Get mixed up with doing all this stuff. You're gonna come in and you're gonna type in password. Highly suggest using a strong password. And then boom, wallet restored, right? So you can close this tab out, and when you open up your Xverse app, what you will see is you will see total balance, right? But if you're using ordinals, you know to come down here to activate, and boom, successfully imported. If you don't like Xverse and you're using ordinals, you could go import it into Sparrow. You could go import it into Ordinals wallet. You could take it wherever you want. Same thing with any other chain. This all acts exactly the same. So if you're using Polygon and you want to use Counterparty, or you want to use Namecoin, or you want to use Dogecoin, or anything else, please refer to all of our videos on the channel. This works Polygon works exactly the same as the legacy vaults. On Ethereum, you just have a few extra steps, and you'll probably have to approve everything all over again, since you are on a layer 2, which exists on top of Ethereum. If you have any other questions, always feel free to reach out to us. We'll see you guys next time.